Welcome to my course. In this video, we will explain you how to write SEO friendly article on your website so that your post will be ranked on Google as well as the Bing search engine. So in this video I will write one article full practical video how to write practically one article on your website. This is my website name newsmug.in, and in this video is very important if you rank on Google. So just before going to write one SEO friendly article on this website, I would suggest your website must have a SEO friendly and user friendly also. Your website speed is should be greater than 90%, like that. Once again, I will analyze Google page speed in my website. You will Practically, you will learn how to increase your website speed. I will explain you later in next chapter. But before going to write one SEO friendly article, I would like to suggest you the w- your website speed should be greater than 90%. So just analyzing my website, just coming to the result. Okay, in both mobile and desktop, both the device, your website speed should be greater than 90%. So in desktop mode, my website speed is 97% and performance 97, accessibility 95, best practice 100%, and SEO 92%. And mobile device, my website speed is 96, more than 90%, and accessibility is 90%, and best practice is 100%, and SEO is 92%. So now let's start one article how to write SEO friendly article and where to find the article and how to use AI tool just like a ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Okay, so just going to your website needs, my website needs is general, like that. What is the this मुंह का स्वाद ही नहीं, भूख नहीं बढ़ती है, कच्चे आम पुदीना की चटनी, like that. Multiple my needs is there. So I would like to write one article about just a minute. This is the chat GPT, and I will suggest you how to write article using AI tool without any compromise. Okay, so in this website, my website is newsmug.in, and I would like to write one article about 49 best way to say thank you in Hindi. Okay, so I just given one command to ChatGPT. I will just explain you. I just given one command to ChatGPT. This is my command. Write simple way. This is my command. Yeah, this is 49 great way to say thank you in Hindi. This is right 49 thank you word. Okay, so I will given another command to ChatGPT. Write above in 100% word long for essay friendly and detail as human writing styles. Also suggest title, metadata, and focus keyword and tags. So ChatGPT just write title, meta description, focus keyword, and tags also. And this is the 800 word long article. This is the ChatGPT article. Okay, and I will suggest you, if you want to use AI tool, just don't copy and paste this all the article. This is the article. Okay, and I just copy this all the article and paste in Word. This is my article which is provided by ChatGPT, and I have pasted in Word document. This is, and just copy this article again, Control C, and going to another AI tool, DeepSeek, and here I have given the command, write this as SEO expert, as a SEO expert, so that this will rank on Google as well as the Bing search engine. And I have provided all the article which is provided by ChatGPT here. Okay, this is the my article which is provided by ChatGPT, and I have entered, and DeepSeek provide me the long article which as a SEO expert. Okay. So this is the meta description, this is focus keyword, and this is tag, and here is the article, long article. Okay. Also, this DeepSeek provide me the PDF version also. If someone want to download the PDF version of 49 way to say thank you, and I have just copy this all the 49 ideas, just copy this and going to the Word article, and here I have pasted and convert this to PDF version. This is my PDF version, articles PDF version. I have just insert my logo here so that user can open this. So this is the genuine way to write one PDF. Okay. And another way, I have just make one feature image for this article. This is my logo, and this image I have downloaded from this stock image. This is image, and I have a subscription, so that I have this downloaded this image and pasted in Canva. Just logo I have pasted. Here is my website link. Okay, and download this image and make for my website. Okay, so just going to how to write this article, just going to your WordPress, and here click the new post, open. Okay, here title. Okay, just go to DeepSeek, and this is the title. This is the title. Just copy this title and go to your website, paste it. Another way, meta description, just copy and paste on meta description. Okay, just go to here. This is focus keyword, meta description here. Okay, this two way, and focus keyword. This is focus keyword. I am using rank math, so here I can paste in multiple focus keyword like 5. Okay, all keyword focus keyword I have pasted here, and another is tags. Just a minute. Here is the tag, and choose one category also, Hindi. This is Hindi article. Okay, and here is tag. So just go to your DeepSeek, and this is the tag. Just copy, paste. Okay, now here is the one image. I just feature image. Okay, just a minute. Feature image is not enabled here. Just a minute. Title additional. Okay, just let it do. This is the description of my, and here pro tips, and one to here is download link. This is the description of this article. Okay, and here you have to paste the link. Okay, just copy, bold it, and here you can paste the link. Before going to just upload that PDF version in your website, just go to here, media library, add file, select, and here is the PDF. This is a PDF, and this is my URL. Just copy this URL, copy it, and go to here, and here hyperlink, you can make it hyperlink, enter. Okay, so user can download PDF version also. Okay, and this is the article, and here one thing you must have, internal link, internal link, Indian culture. This is the internal link. Go to here, search Indian culture. Here is the Indian culture. Okay, and another is thank you word also, internal link. Thank you, in the thank you phase, thank you Indian language. This is enough. And another is thank you, yeah, no. Another 3 or 4 internal link must have in your article. Okay, Hindi, I think not available. Hindi is available only. Hindi Divas. Okay. So this 4 internal link and one is the external link. Okay. So where you find the external link, just find your articles, and here is the this is the way. Okay. Go to Google and paste here, and choose one Grammarly. This is the good website, and just copy this external link. Okay, and here you can paste external link. Okay, so this article is ready, but here you can paste one image also. So there is a option for feature image, but I don't know why it is not enabled. Thank you. Just copy this thank you. Thank you. Preview. This is AI generated image, but I don't want to insert here AI generated image. I just want to enter my own image. So here is the option, browse all, and image. This is the image, upload, and download it. Go to download and desktop mode. I don't, this is the image I just pasted over here. Okay, just copy this URL. Yeah, set as feature image. Okay, here you have to paste this focus keyword. Okay, so before going to find the focus keyword, just go to here and this is my focus keyword, thank you in Hindi. Okay, this is main keyword, and just select here. Okay, just a minute. Preview. Mm, set as feature image. Here you can paste your alt text. Alt text is the important for ranking feature. Okay, this is my image, this is article, and this is internal link, external link also, and here download link also I have provided to user, and this is okay. And now you can find out the focus keyword in URL. Use focus keyword in URL. This is the focus keyword, but I have just here URL. This is the URL, and I want to use this URL in focus. Okay, this all are good. Okay, content is 612 word long. Good job. Okay, so this is the ready to launch. Okay, and this way you can publish your article on your website, so that your website should be in Google or Bing search engine. So just publish this article. Just go to your view mode, view post. This is my article, and this is image. Okay, and Google AdSense ad also running in my article. Okay, so this way you can write article so that your ranking, your post will be rank on Google. Okay, after writing, you must have to submit your post on Google. Inspect your URL in Google search console, so that this post will be indexed. After 5 or 10 minutes, your post will be ranked on Google or indexed. Okay, so just inspect your URL using Google Search Console, and after that, you have to text your live URL. Okay, and wait for 5 to 10 minutes, and search your URL in Google. Okay, just a minute. If test live URL will be green signal, so that your post will be rank. Okay, so this is the simple way and expert way I have explained how to practice to write one simple and user friendly, SEO friendly article to your website to rank your website on Google. Okay, so this is my URL, and I have submitted in Google Search Console, and again I inspect. If this is green, this is green means your post will be URL in Google, means your post will be indexed. Okay, this is index time just now. Okay, no any error. Unnamed, no any error. Okay, no any error. Okay, so this way, if you want to learn something new technique, this course is very important for you. So thank you. And next video or next chapter, I will explain you how to speed up your website. Okay. Thank you for watching, and bye.